Hello, in this lecture, I'm going to show more about conditional formatting. In previous lecture, we have already added one of the rules wherein if this cell value goes below 0, then it will turn red, and if it goes above 600, it will go green. So we can immediately check that if that's happening. So say -5, then it's turning red, and if I say it to be more 800, then it's turning green. So in between, it's remaining to be the original formatting as it was. If I want to see how what are the rules applied to this cell, then I will go to conditional formatting, and in that I will go to manage rules. In here you can see that these two rules we had added earlier for this particular cell. If we don't want this rule to be any longer applied for the cells, we can select this rule and click delete rule. Select this rule, delete rule. If we want to add a new rule, you can click new rule, and in this multiple options uh, pop up wherein you can select what type of rule you want to add. So if I say format only cells that contain, so cell value between 100 and 600, format it to be green. I click OK and OK. Then another rule I want to add with format cell that contain less than 100, format it to be, so this is fill option for the cell, fill it with red color. You can have multiple other things like font, border, fill, what all, whatnot. So fill it with red and click OK, and again click OK. And yet another rule which says that if the cell value is greater than 600, then format it to be dark green. I click OK and again OK. So I can see now what all rule that I have set over here, and click then apply. So this cell immediately turned green, so because it was valued between 100 and 600, so it turned light green. So if I just need to click OK. If this cell value goes above 600, then it turns dark green. If cell value drops below 100, it will turn red with the background red. So this is more conditional formatting that I have added. You can add more new rules by clicking conditional formatting and click new rules. So new rules will again directly pop up the new rules section. Instead of going through manage rules, you can directly go to new rule formatting from here itself. Then we can see multiple other options that are available for conditional formatting. So we select a range of cells over here, and which has a multiple data entry of 600, 900, 1200, and all those entries available here. Click conditional formatting, go to data bars and select gradient fill and click left click for that. What has happened is like Excel has put up data bars in the cell. So 1200 is the maximum number from the selected Excel cells previously. So what Excel has done is like it has completely filled this 1200 section, and if you can see 570 would be something around halfway around 1200, so the data bar appears halfway around 1200. So this is a graphical representation of data using data bars. Uh, you can also have a solid fill, so there is a solid fill options available. This becomes a solid fill. These are various options available for conditional formatting. If you want to clear rules for conditional formatting, you can clear rules for selected cells, or you can clear rules for from entire sheet itself. So if you want to say, if you want to clear rules for this particular selected cells itself, then yeah, you just need to add clear rules from selected cells. So this conditional formatting would go away. If you want to remove rules from the complete Excel sheet, just click clear rules from entire sheet. So you can see that the rule got cleared from all, like data bars also went away, and this savings amount also got cleared with rules, like it went blue again. So this was some basics around the conditional formatting, about how you can do and use conditional formatting. You can explore multiple other rules, like color scales are available. So it's same like data bar, like color scales, and it will keep coloring as per the values. Like 1200 was given the maximum value, and the lowest value was given a red color. So this type of color based conditional formatting is also possible using color scales. You can add your custom rules by clicking more rules, or if you want to have let me clear the rules from entire sheet first. uh, Say if you want to add a new rule, like you can see that there are multiple options available over here. Format only cells that contain between, then format only top or bottom ranked values, format only values that are above or below average. So above what value? Then above the average of selected range, then format it to be green. I click OK and then click OK. So what is the average for this set of values? So average for this set of values, you can observe over here, it's $664. So any value above $664 would turn green. So this type of conditional formatting is possible with Excel. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue ahead watching the further videos. Thanks.